Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be installing some rear lights. I'm going to be removing these reflectors on my son's Honda Accord, and I'm going to be installing these. First of all, you're going to have to remove the bumper. I'm not going to show you the process of removing the bumper. There's a lot of videos on YouTube showing that process. Let me just remove it so that I can install it. And I am going to show you how to install and connect the lights. Once the bumper have been removed, you have access to the reflectors. Now we're going to change them and we're going to install the actual lights. Now each side of the lights do come with an extra connection. I'm going to show you how these connections are going to go and where they're going to go. Let me just remove this one and install the new light. You're going to connect your splitter wire to the light on both sides. You can install the bumper back. Right here you have your splitter. One of them is going to be connected to this wire right there, which is previously connected to that light, to the real tail light, but you're going to connect it right there. And there it is. Put your tail light back on. Let's go to the other side. There it is. Now you can see that there is light. And we're gonna put the arrows right there. You have the signal, the brake. Perfect. It's on both sides. And there it is. Good to go. And that'll be it for this video. Hope you now know how to install some rear lights on your bumper on your Honda Accord. This will be it for this video. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the week. And like always, God bless.